Welcome to this tutorial designed to bring you up to speed with the mentoring space on the training platform. First of all, to access our online training modules, you will need a computer, a broadband internet connection, such as ADSL, headphones or speakers, and version 10 of Flash Player, available online legally and free of charge. To begin, connect to the following address: https://actiononline.elmg.net. Then enter your login details in the fields provided. In the top part of your screen, the header, you can, from left to right, change your account details. For example, change your password, etc. Set your interface language. Use the drop-down menu to select an individual session if you are mentoring several different sessions, or log off using the small cross. In the horizontal navigation bar just below, you can, from left to right, interact with the trainees from your session or sessions by checking or posting an instant message, including a link if required. Check your internal mailbox, or access the My Documents section where you can add training-related documents. The learners on your selected distribution list will be able to access these documents via the platform. Click on the Home Page tab. You will see different frames. Let's look at the My Contacts frame in more detail. You can use this frame to access the learners registered for your session. Trainees are arranged by date. The default setting shows the 5 most recently connected trainees. If a learner is connected, the label Online will appear along with a small green circle. By clicking on a trainee's name, you can access the trainee's account folder and all of his or her data. You can also send a message using the platform's internal mail system by clicking on the little envelope to the right of the learner's name. To send a message to more than one learner, select each name by ticking the little boxes on the right, then click on Validate at the bottom of the page. Now let's look at the Course Average Score frame. You can view a radar chart for each learner's average compared to the overall average, and directly access their account. Now let's take a look at the Publications frame. In this frame, you can see the instant messages posted in your session. To send an instant message to all of the trainees in your session, click once in the main frame. Draft your message, including a link if required, select your distribution list, and then click on Validate. Now let's look at the range to the right. In the right-hand area of the screen, you can click on the shortcuts to access the Training Courses and Results tabs, which we will detail next. You can also see which of your session's courses are the most and the least popular, in other words, the most and least accessed. And at the very bottom, you can see the 3 most regular learners in your session. Click on the Training Courses tab. You can access the training courses available to all of the learners registered for your session. The learning plan for your session, defined in advance with your Action Online key contact. By clicking on the key to the far right of each learning unit, course, module or chapter, you can access the statistics for the learning unit selected, average score, connection time, etc. Now click on the course title, then on the module, then on the chapter. In the top right-hand corner of your course screen, you can display or hide the overview. Scroll through the different chapters of the course module. Take notes during the course, or close the window and go back to your learning space. From the course screen, you can access a glossary by clicking on the ABC button. Replay the screen by clicking on the arrow. Stop the presentation by pressing pause. Move to the next or the previous screen, but remember, you cannot move to the next screen unless you have worked through the previous screens at least once. Access a navigation index showing the screen titles of the chapter selected. To close the course screen, click on the cross in the top right to come straight back to your learning space. To access your trainees' results, click on the Results tab. The full list of the learners registered for the selected session will be shown on the left. At the top of the main page, you will see the overall data for each learner selected, score, time spent, progress. Click on the title of a course to see more detail. For each learning unit, course, module and chapter, you can view the degree of progress shown by a round icon, not started, in progress, validated, the score, the time spent and the number of attempts. You can even check the date and hour of each attempt for the different chapters. You can click on Downloadable Report to download a global report showing the connection statistics of all the learners enrolled in the session. The report will appear on the screen, but you can download it if you want to use it at a later date. Lastly, by clicking on the Analysis tab, you can access various useful statistics, such as overall connection statistics, statistics showing the time spent on the training course, and statistics concerning the messages exchanged on the platform. You can also use the predefined selections to filter the members of your session by Training Not Started, Training Not Started or in Progress, and Training Not Started or in Progress or Completed. If you have any questions about how to use the platform, click on the question mark on the far right-hand side to open the user manual. For all other queries, please contact customer service by telephone on 0033 0437 64 4010 or by email at support@action-on-line.fr. We will reply to you within 2 working days. The whole Action Online team thanks you for your confidence.